Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking and Canning, where we do a daily update on the garden and we check out the growth. If you're watching us on YouTube, please give us a like. If you're watching us on Rumble, please give us a thumbs up and follow. Well, this is the end of the raspberry bush and our pepper plants are still providing peppers for the canning. Another successful canning yesterday with 9 jars, and we'll put that video up right here. Well, you know it's hot when you can smell the spiciness of the hot pepper. And there's only 2 of them that had the single little hot pepper in them, like this one, and I just pulled them out of the canner, and yeah, the air is spicy, very spicy. And the weather is like 15 degrees this morning. And that is the end of the summer. I've been looking forward at the forecast and it's not looking good. Not looking good at all. Fall is here early. Yeah. Humanity recovered from the mini ice age. It peaked in the 1930s. Nice hot weather, then the weather's been slowly getting warmer again since then, but yeah, we're at a very cool point right now. Very cool point, and I don't think the weather's going to get above 25 degrees this week, and actually it's looking for overnight chills of not quite below 10 yet, but it's getting there. So, and we can see all the plants reacting. They're all turning. They know. They can feel the weather, the change in frequency. Anything new here for us to look at? No? Now there's zucchini. Even this morning, 6 o'clock, sun's not up yet. Yeah, days getting shorter, leaves turning brown. Oh my, look at these guys. Yeah, good. Another zucchini out of that one. Ooh, a little explosion of growth right here. Very nice. Oh, zucchini. Get in there and grab that sucker before it gets too big. There we go. Nice little zucchini. Just put that down. Which means it's also time to take the pool down, because it's not going to get any warmer. I'll have a water heater for the pool. That way you can keep using it into September. But I figured last week, that last day when the temperature was in the high 20s with the humidex in the low 30s. So I sat there in the pool, enjoying the warm weather in the saltwater pool. But I knew that day, looking forward to the weather changes, it would be the last day enjoying it to that level. Leaving it up this long is just a reminder that I can't use it. Any beans today? Oh yes, I'll have to come back out and collect some beans. Very good. And our potatoes. I can stay in the ground till I'm ready to harvest. There's no rush. if I harvest them, I'll have to find a place to store them. And the storeroom, the cold room, doesn't really get cold till October. Wow, the onions are doing well. And the monster kale bush, constantly fighting back and forth. So they need a third post now. This thing is insane. Oh, over here, you can actually look and see, like I was showing yesterday, the tilt going on. That's not me holding the camera crooked. That's the tilt from the plaids pulling down the lattice assembly. Yep. Anything new over here? Oh, not again. I hope this is a I hope that's the spaghetti squash. Let's look deep in here. Oh, that little gourd got some color. That one back there, that's probably not one. That'll be good to eat. Well, this is near the end of the garden, I guess. I'm not going to get too much more new growth with these cool temperatures. Well, let's go in the front and go have a look at Butch and the gang. And straight to the lavender. Well, our pumpkin plant is doing the best it can. It's looking like this might be our only pumpkin. And our corner sunflower just doing fantastic. Look forward to seeing squirrels hanging upside down trying to pick off the seeds from this. And how's our zucchini? Any new zucchini? Oh yeah, there was that one I was supposed to come back out and cut. That weird one. That weird one that's really just not edible. And Butch. Look at Butch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 blooms. 10 blooms. Wow. Floppy leaf here. So, it's supposed to be 30% chance of rain. Last 12 hours. I don't know if we got any. It's supposed to be that again today. Although the sky's nice and clear right now. How we do down there? Oh yes, our morning glories are growing all across the string. And our second last sunflower to bloom in the garden. The last one will be the one in the back. Our morning glories, all their different vibrant colors. It's doing well. Okay? Very nice. Let's go look at our other one up here. That's not doing too bad either. Well. That's the update for today. If you've hung out till the end, I really appreciate it. And we will see you tomorrow as the season continues to come to a close. Thank you all for coming out. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.